Before we get to that, there was another case last week. Well, I guess it was earlier in this week that did not get the attention that it deserves and has a idiosyncratic place in my heart. And I think it'll be clear to some people as to why, particularly long-term listeners of this program. A New Jersey court earlier in June found that an organization that was supposedly offering ex-gay conversion therapy had violated the state's Consumer Fraud Protection Act. There was a group called JONAH, for short, Jews Offering New Alternatives for Healing for Longer, which claimed to clients that it could change their sexual orientation in accordance with a strain of Orthodox Judaism. Sam Harris was outside protesting. Oh, no, he wasn't. I'm sorry. The suit was brought by Southern Poverty Law Center on behalf of 5 plaintiffs that JONAH therapists subjected their clients to a number of humiliating acts. And this is the part that long-term listeners will resonate with them. One plaintiff, Benjamin Unger, says his therapist encouraged him to beat a pillow with a tennis racket, a pillow which was meant to symbolize his mother.
Mom! 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 Why did you do that to me?
And that is actually was the head of JONAH beating his own mom pillow. I had a huge gash and my hands were actually bleeding from hitting it so much. Benjamin Unger said, people were standing around me, supporting me and kind of egging me on. And that was probably the worst thing I did in the JONAH program as far as how it affected me and my family and how it affected me emotionally. Clients were also told to shout anti-gay slurs at a pair of oranges, which represented testicles. At one particularly atrocious session, this is from the lawsuit, a counselor instructed a plaintiff to select someone from the group to role play his past abuser. The selected participant was made to yell abusive statements that the plaintiff's abuser had made, such as, "I won't love you anymore if you don't give me oral sex." The plan of the JONAH founder, Arthur Goldberg, was to turn gay Jewish men into straight Jewish men. But according to the Southern Poverty Law Center's suit, it just effed them up emotionally. I don't think that was actually the language. The plaintiffs were awarded $72,000 in damages, but now it's up to a judge to determine whether or not JONAH can keep its counseling license, since it has been in violation of the, I know.
What? That's insane.
What are you talking about?
So I wanted to just note that case for sentimental reasons. And I mean, it seems to me at this point, I mean, as bizarre as it looks to us now, I mean, can you imagine in 10 years the idea of, well, it looks pretty bizarre now.